One more thing, don't forget to subscribe to this channel as you watch it. God bless you.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Hi guys. So we're currently leaving Cancun. We're actually at the airport. This was the best trip ever. I'm putting this focus back on my face. I don't know what Estelle is doing. Stay here, please. This is your girl Victoria Nzelibe, your YouTuber, your favorite girl. And on this video, in fact, this video is basically a vlog, my birthday vlog. And I'll be showing you everything we did down from leaving America up until this moment where we are leaving Cancun. We'll show you everything. We had so much fun, right?
It's the trip. We did have so much fun. So
Yes, yes.
But we're coming back.
We're coming back. Definitely, maybe your birthday next year or somebody else's birthday. But this was fun. So if you're ever thinking of coming to Mexico, Cancun, do it. Do it. Promise you, do it.
I'm fortunate and I came for this Mexico trip for their birthday and I loved it. Woo! I'm Lola. Lola the baby. Birthday ladies, I love my trip.
My name is Amaka. The trip was amazing. It was my birthday. So thank you for having us, Mexico.
Cancun, Mexico. My name is Cynthia and we came for the twins' birthday. Amaka and Victoria and we had a slow time.
It's an early birthday gift, early birthday gift, early birthday gift. Let's start. This is the excitement of the. Okay, okay. This is Screaming Victoria. This is just Screaming Victoria. Let's open this one. It's the perfect color. If you know me, you know my favorite color is gold. It's gold! My love. I swear I know. What's the music? I need music. Oh. Hey. Happy birthday. Second, happy birthday in arrears. I will accept anyone.
I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All these other energies you can get up in between. You're trying to get up as for me. I can teach you a couple things. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All these other energies you can get up in between. You're trying to get up as for me. I can teach you a couple things.
Abrir todo el pecho, pechar este grito. ¡Qué lindo es Jalisco! ¡Palabra de honor!
Oh my god, which view? What's your room number? 1258. You guys look so pretty already. Hope I can see. Let's see. And the VIP with
Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, yeah, that you look like the toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my 2J.
Oh, this is just gorgeous. Hello, hello. Shower toilet. Might be sleeping in this jacuzzi tonight. Just might. Okay, get ready for me. I'm done with my brows. I'm about to use foundation. I'm doing light makeup. It has SPF, and of course, who doesn't need SPF in a vacation? I'm not doing too much, especially because I have to come back and touch up again tonight, you know, for my birthday dinner. So let me just do what I can do now, and I'll just take some pictures, you know. Let's get some pictures ready.
Time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my yo. Don't cry yo, I need people and shy yo, I need people and shy yo, I need people and shy yo.
Why do you have to say that?
Thank you.
Can they scan the menu?
See, I'll bring it over.
They'll bring it over so you can scan. There's no salmon on the menu, but if you want it, he can bring it.
We're just all glad to be here celebrating your birthdays with you. Wishing you greatness, success, prosperity, many more opportunities. We just love you both so much. And we are in, where we at? Cancun Mexico. So we just want to say thank you for inviting us. And we are blessed to be here with you. Cheers.
Together. There you go. Clap, 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 guys.
Clap for ourselves.
Long life and prosperity.
Salute, 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 salute. Yes, that's very important. Very, very important.
Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo, I need big boy and shy 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 yo,
My nigga, was it good? Cheers! Thank you! Woo! Sorry. It took me a while to realize this was my room because I never left this room with this on my door, but these guys are so special. Okay. Just drink. So, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Let's pass the room part. You don't have to see my scattered room. To this. What? Let's go. These guys are amazing. Cake. I got a cake and a bottle of champagne. Okay, let's go meet my people. I'm using the stairs. It's a private pool, but it's got this really beautiful restaurant. And let me turn it this way. How did I forget YouTube? This has to go on YouTube. Can you imagine my friends are here? They're going to cuss me out because, of course, I'm looking dapper. And they are looking... First of all, Fortune is going to be the one to cuss me out. Because they're looking hungry. They're looking very hungry. But yeah, my battery is so good. My sister and I came here to celebrate our birthday and it was a blast. My friends also came around, but yay, we turned a year older and we definitely traveled and had a
Well,
blast.
hello, Mexico, Cancun. It was a blast. We came here to celebrate Victoria and Amaka's birthday, and OMG, we had fun. We can't wait to come back. And in the meantime, adios, Mexico. Gracias for all the for all the fun.
Hi guys, we're about to leave Cancun. It has been an amazing mini vacation for us here. We're here to celebrate the twins, Umwejima, like I like to call them, Amaka and Victoria. First off, all right, let me start by saying this. Thank you guys for this opportunity to come and share your day with each and every one of you. It was a blast. We had fun, and I'm sure everyone who came for this vacation had fun too. And on that note, adios amigos, hasta luego, hasta la vista, and au revoir. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as you watch it. God bless you. Peace out. Deuces.